Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we master the pronunciation of tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a challenging medical term, dermatomyositis. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it like a pro and understand its meaning. This word is often mispronounced as dermatomyositis or dermatomyositis. But don't worry, stick with me and you'll get it right every time. The correct pronunciation is dermatomyositis. Let's break it down step by step. Dermato. Think of dur, like enduring, then mu, and finish with to. Say my, followed by sitis. Think sigh, and then add tis. When you put it all together, dermatomyositis. Let's practice together now. Repeat after me. Dermatomyositis. One more time, slowly. Dermatomyositis. Now try it faster. Dermatomyositis. Great job. Dermatomyositis is a rare inflammatory disease that causes muscle weakness and a distinctive skin rash. It's an autoimmune condition often affecting the muscles and skin, with symptoms like fatigue, swelling, and redness. Now you know how to pronounce dermatomyositis and what it means. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with your friends who want to improve their pronunciation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tricky words. Let me know in the comments which word you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.